Nairobi.
Direkta migao mar Thieth Patrick Amoth Amoth koni onge luoro kaluore kod gino ma ichichgo ni en tuo makoch mane onego ji 4 e gweng' ma Matangini e Changamwe mani Mombasa. Ma en bang' luoro kwako jodak ma Changamwe kendo dwaro ni piny owacho tim nonro mapiyo mar yango tuo manokelo tho mar ji 4 e gweng' achiel.
We have not established any clear pattern. Our team is on the ground, led by the Chief Government Pathologist, Dr. Johansen Odror. As soon as we receive reports, we shall be able to share with you. No cause for alarm now because some of the cases are reported to have had coexisting conditions and they had been in contact with the health facilities.
All the tests samples have been sent to our Kemri labs in Kilifi, and we will tell the country what's going on. But what the DG has said as our head of technical, not only for me, but for